some people has taken a land helper for women. Titu, they have to climb that 9-meter pole. So I have decided, the government along with the Honorable CM has decided that we are going to conduct a fresh test for all the remaining people who are to be regularized. And we are in the IDCO committee, amka jenna post ditle, then priority will be given to all these people who will be taken only if they climb the test. Atta sangta, Honorable Kaliga Speaker sir, that these people will be made to climb, because that is the purpose for what they are taken. They will be made to climb a 9-meter pole without any help, and they will be able to take one pin insulator or kidetari over to galpak. So this is a test we will be conducted now in the month of August. We will be starting. And in September and Jana vacancy asta, this will be given the top priority to fill in the vacancies.
Who are working there for more than 5 years, 8 years. आणि तांचे कितें टेस्ट कितें आसा ती घेवची, पूण म्हजे एकच रिक्वेस्ट आहा, थोड्यांक तुमी गेल्ले खेपेक प्रिफरन्स दिवन थोड्यांक घेतल्यात, रिक्रूट केल्यात, बिकॉज दे हॅव बीन वर्किंग फॉर लास्ट सो मेनी इयर्स. आनी प्रत्येक वर्सा एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर तांकां सर्टिफिकेट दिता की देअर वर्क इज सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी. जे कोण सारकें काम करना तांकां ते काडून उडयता. दे आर फ्री टू रिमूव दॅम. आनी म्हणून तांकां जेन्ना पोस्ट आतां तुजे सप्टेंबराक जातले, I would suggest to the power minister that whatever तुझे कितें तांकां व्हडलेशें कितें टॅक्स तांकां ते रिटर्न टॅक्स येता तसलें कांय नासता. मॅक्झिमम फिजिकल यू मे टेक, पूण तांकां प्रिफरन्स दी. माय ओनली थिंग इज आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर 8 years, 7 years, it is difficult for them to go somewhere else and take the job. So my only request to you is try to give them preference as and when the vacancies are created. Till that time, don't remove them. That is the only thing.
That those who are working on temporary basis, and if they have completed more than 5 years, they are automatically deemed to be confirmed.
Let us do it properly. Let us take people कोण काम करू शकता ते बेश्टे घेवपाक जाय म्हण हांव हे म्हज्या डिपार्टमेंट घेवचें ना.